Dear number crunchers, I'm just getting to grips with fractions, but any advice on how to divide one fraction by another would be splendid. Yours, Sammy, from Oxford. Okay, let's start with 1/2 divided by 1/4. And I'm going to draw my bar to represent one whole, and I'm going to split that into halves so we can see 1/2 clearly. I'm going to take that half, and I want to see how many quarters can go into the half. And you can see from the picture that it goes in twice. 2 quarters can go into 1/2. So 1/2 divided by 1/4 is equal to 2. Okay, next let's look at 2/5ths divided by 4/5ths. So I'm going to draw this bar again. This represents the whole, and I'm going to split it into fifths, and I'm going to show 2/5ths. 4/5ths. This is tricky. Let's see what 4/5ths looks like. It actually goes past my 2/5ths, but if you look closely, half of that amount will fit in to 2/5ths. So 2/5ths divided by 4/5 equals 1/2. Drawing the pictures can help for some examples, but for many it gets too complicated. So let's look at some examples without the pictures to see what's going on. Okay, so we've done this one already. 2/5ths divided by 4/5ths equals 1/2. And interestingly, 2/5ths multiplied by 5/4 equals 10/20ths, which is also 1/2. 7/10ths divided by 2/3 equals 21/20ths. Interestingly, 7/10ths times 3/2 equals 21/20ths, the same answer. And 1/2 divided by 1/4, we did this one at the start, that equals 2. Also, 1/2 times 4/1 is equal to 4/2, which is 2. What do you notice? You might have seen that when you divide a fraction by another fraction, it's the same as inverting the second fraction, or finding the reciprocal, and then multiplying them together. Let's look at a few others just to finish off. So when you have 3/4 divided by 2/5ths, well, that's the same as saying 3/4 multiplied by 5/2, and that gives you 15/8. 5/9 divided by 7/2 equals 5/9 multiplied by 2/7, which equals 10/63. And 1/6 divided by 1/5 is equal to 1/6 multiplied by 5/1. And that equals 5/6. Okay, hope that helps. Good luck.